So behind the scenes, Hey Levi's been working on something pretty cool, and I think you're going to love it. It's called the brand voice feature, and it's like giving Hey Levi a crash course in, well, you and your voice and your business's voice and your brand's voice. This is going to mean that every single output that Hey Levi produces is going to sound even more like you, and it's super simple to do. All you need to do is input some of your most you content, so maybe a blog post, your website, social media post, and Hey Levi takes that and creates a voice that sounds even more like you. Then what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into our brand playbook, meaning this voice is going to flow through every single piece of content Hey Levi creates for you. So let me show you exactly how it works. First thing you're going to do is come over to the left-hand side and you'll see just under brand playbook, brand voices. And as you can see, it will say you have no brand voices yet, but we're going to create one together. So you just click this button here. And now we have the brand voice wizard. And this is where you can copy and paste emails, blog posts, other content such as your website content, a sales page, social media posts, any of those pieces of content, and it will learn about your unique writing style. Or you can just simply add in a URL and let the AI extract and analyze the content for you. So this can be done in literally seconds. So for the purpose of this example, I've actually created 2 social media posts here for my fictitious business of an Instagram coach, and I'm going to plug these into the brand voice and see what they create. So first things first, let's click add content. I'm going to add text content, and then you'll see the box appears down here. I'm just going to expand that box a little bit. I'm going to copy everything that's here and just paste it into the text box. Then I'm going to click analyze. Now, what I'm expecting is for it to produce a brand voice which is humorous or witty or quirky or sarcastic, also giving a big dose of value. So let's see what it creates. Okay, so here's what Hey Levi has learnt about my brand voice just from 2 social media posts. It's titled me as an engaging storyteller. The description is that my writing style is vibrant, conversational, and engaging, designed to captivate an audience with a mix of storytelling and practical advice. Uses a friendly, informal tone with a touch of humour and wit. Great, it's in there. Often incorporating emojis to emphasise points and maintain a light-hearted feel. Language is accessible, aimed for clarity and relatability, making it suitable for broad audience. Personality is enthusiastic, encouraging, often using rhetorical questions to engage readers and direct calls to action that inspire participation or reflection. The style balances informative content with entertainment, ensuring readers are both educated and amused. That's exactly what I was going for, and it has pulled that in so succinctly there into the description. I feel for what I'm producing here, it has nailed it. However, if you feel that there's some parts missing, you of course can add to this. You can edit anything, you can rewrite any sections. I'm super impressed at how well this has nailed this just from 2 social media posts. And what Hey Levi has also done here is given me an example of what that brand voice sounds like. So this is a great way to see a little preview just to make sure that the description and the interpretation of the content that you upload is correct. So I love what it's done here. I literally am not going to make any edits. So I'm firstly going to save to brand voices. And as you can see now, this is in here, engaging storyteller. So if you do actually have a couple of different brand voices, so maybe for different products, you have different styles, or different arms of your business, there are different styles. You can have multiple brand voices in here. So for the purpose of this, I just have one brand voice across every piece of content, which I'm going to now title as the engaging storyteller. Now I've come back into my brand voice because I'm going to do one more final thing. I'm going to push this to my brand playbook. So just click this button and it'll do it automatically. And as you can see here, brand voice saved. Your new brand voice has been saved to your brand playbook. So even easier. I do not need to copy anything, pull things over. It's done it with literally a click of a button. So now let's see how great this output is now. I'm going to create a social media post and let's see what it does. So I've scooted down to my social media post module right down here, and I am using my brand playbook, and I've just decided that I'd like an Instagram caption. I've just titled this my new brand voice. And as you can see, it's already pulled through my engaging storyteller. It's in my drop down for my tone of voice. I'm going to click next and then choose one from the buckets. Okay, so here is the post it created for me with 0 editing from me using my engaging storytelling brand voice. And I think it's nailed it. I mean, little phrases like as if it's a clingy cat purring and clawing for attention is bang on my brand voice. Plus, I'm balancing out education with information. So I would love it for you to go in, add your brand voice, add it to your brand playbook, and just see how much more dialed in Hey Levi can be for you. Let us know how you get on.